Ready to tell the right story on a global scale so people remember your brand instead of a bad experience? Let's drill down into one of the main issues, pun intended. Here's one description. Here's another. And another. Key details have discrepancies. Some bullets are completely wrong, and the descriptions are all channel agnostic. And that's if you can even find the specifics you're looking for. Bottom line, the information you need, if you can track it down, is all over the place. Here's where we come in. We keep you connected upstream, so data's easy to grab and you can quickly process incoming messaging. Our optimized approach ensures updates happen when necessary and product details stay current. Downstream connections allow you to give every shopper in every channel the right info. Better yet, it's completely scalable, so you get product data, business agility, and peace of mind. And we've incorporated AI strategically to remove friction and help you get things done. Everything you need to increase your revenue and control the product data current. Get the only end-to-end PIM solution that delivers adaptable, enterprise-ready software for industrial manufacturing and many others. Inriver. Say goodbye to data chaos. Book a demo at inriver.com.